「 know the feel, or how it looks at the top, or if it's even real. We ain't selling dreams, but we live in some. No arms license and still we stick to our guns.
I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah.
We here to live for ourselves first. And if in doing that it helps you, so be it. Let it drive. Let's go. We're gonna live it full.
If I keep living my life, I've been chilling out about my dreams.
Better talk to him.
I'm gonna take my time and find what's right for me. I'm gonna live my life.
We gon' live life.
Live my life, oh yeah.
Live it full. No more empty glasses here.
Live my life, oh yeah.
I said no more empty glasses or even half full. When the world see that we blessed more than a handful. That's why you can't put your finger on it, we got the touch. Never perfect, living with purpose, that be us. Open the curtains, we give the real like behind the scenes. We give the heart in our chest and wear it on our sleeves. I don't lend my clothes so you know it's really me. I cop that so I rock, that's how it really be. But metaphorical, speaking my piece, that when I do, haters zip they lips like it's rhetorical. My past experience makes me an oracle. Don't believe when it's from me, so I write it down allegorical. Ain't trying to be the clouds, always overheads. Sometimes I gotta be the ground to hold you down and stand. For yourself first, then we go get the fam. Build them up, set them up like it's already planned.
I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah. I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live my life, oh yeah.
We gon' live our life full. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. Loosen the noose, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose at the top, down in the Astons. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. We could fit a drink in the space on your passport. would have said FRENDS. But I'm gonna take that chance, little mama. Spin around, drop to your dance, little mama. Bottle in the booth, get the check out of Rama. Beat it up, got the pussy in a coma. I don't understand how you moving that way. Giving you my all, hero day or for the day. Broke boy city tough, yeah, you could've had a VA. Shorty, I'm all you need, yeah, but I'm gonna lose my self-control. I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. Loosen the noose, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Astons. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. Or we could fit a drink in the space on your passport. Driving to your place with the brace on the dashboard. Straight to the jeweler from the bank, black boy. I can get you anything you need if you ask for it. Every time I'm dropping the top on the acid, swear my heart is colder. Show me that love and we get to romance it. Can't deny that I'm coming over. Know you put the work in, buy you a Birkin, I'm certain you're my Cinderella. No, it's not perfect beyond the curtain, but baby, when you drip down in my gel, feel some type of way. You give me the time of day. I don't need no space, I don't need to imitate. Show you the finer things, couldn't give less if I fuck what they say. No, I mean what I say, ain't no need to hesitate. I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. Loosen the noose, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Aston. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and your fashion. Or we could fit a